boys and girls. So today we are going to continue to talk about wants and needs. And so for today, though, we are going to talk about classroom needs and classroom wants. So I don't know if you know this, but when you're a teacher, when it gets close to the end of the year, we get money that we can use to spend on materials that we need for the classroom. And this could be really tricky for me because I only get a certain amount of money and I really need to think hard about what I need in the classroom versus what I want in the classroom. And so you are going to help me out today. So I have a few things or a few pictures that I have here, and I'm going to sort them between want and need. So this is going to help me figure out what I need in the classroom and not so much what I want. I think if I have extra money, I might get some things out off of my want list, but as a teacher, I really need to focus on what we need in our classroom for the first graders next year. And so let's start. So I have a pencil. Now I need to figure out, is that a want or is this pencil a need? What do you think? Yeah, it's definitely a need. We use pencils every day, and sometimes we lose them and we need extra. So I'm going to put this pencil under need. It's definitely a need. All right, what about stickers? Do you think that's a want or a need? Hmm. Yeah, believe it or not, stickers is really a want. I don't really need to have stickers to put on your homework or even assessments. I could always just use a marker and draw something or draw a star. So I think stickers is going to go under want. I don't need the stickers. Okay, how about glue? Now, this is the good kind of glue. What do you think, a want or a need? Yep, definitely a need, especially if we're doing like a craft. This glue comes in handy. Okay. What about these cool colored pens? It looks like they're all different colors. I could use it to grade it. What do you think? These cool colored pens, is it a want or a need? Yeah, it's a want. I don't need to have these pens to help us in the classroom. And really, it's just for me. And I could use regular marker or just a black or red pen. Doesn't have to be colored. Ah, I'm just trying to see what happened to my other. Okay, we'll have to come back to that one. All right, what about this one? My stuffed monkey. You know Miss Escobar loves stuffed monkeys. I mean, come on. Don't you think I need this monkey to teach? What do you think? Want or need? Okay, you're right. It's a want. I have a lot of monkeys in my classroom already, and maybe if there's extra money at the end, I can get this little guy because I think Jojo needs another friend. Okay. What about crayons? Is that a want or a need? You got it. It's definitely a need. We're always coloring in first grade. Now, this picture, I don't know what happened to this picture. Oh, I think I did it. There we go. Okay. So, this cool rainbow cart. You know, I already have two rainbow carts in the classroom, and they are just a great way to stay organized. What do you think? Do I really need this rainbow cart to help us in the classroom and to help you? Or is this just something that I want because it's really cool? What do you think? Yeah, it's actually a want. Even though this is a great tool to keep everything organized, especially for our daily five materials, I already have two in the classroom. And if maybe there's extra money, I can buy it. So I'm going to put the rainbow cart under want. Okay, last but not least, paper. What do you think? Is it a want or a need? You got it. It's a need. We need paper to write our awesome stories on. Oh, where'd it go? Hold on. Let's bring back the paper. Oh no, it keeps disappearing. Okay, there we go. Let's not touch it. And so if you look at it, we have our wants and our needs for the classroom. And so what you're going to do today is you're going to use this Google slide to think of wants and needs in our classroom. And all you do is you click next to the little bullet point and you get to type. Now, the needs, I think you guys are going to be so great at figuring out what we need in our classroom. But as far as wants, that might be a little tricky. So if you have any trouble with figuring out the wants in our classroom, you can go ahead and use what we sorted on this slide. So if you're not sure, oh, you might want to write colored pens. So you can type colored pens or a stuffed animal, a rainbow card. And you can just think of things that we don't necessarily need in the classroom, but it might be cool to have. So any stuffed animal, that would be a want. Something that maybe not everyone would be able to use, and maybe just Miss Escobar would be a want. So feel free to use this to help you figure out what your wants are. But I think the needs of our classroom, there's a lot of things that we need in the classroom. Think about the things that we use every day, like expo markers, glue sticks, scissors. Those are the important things that we need in the classroom to help us learn. All right, first graders, have fun, and I can't wait to see it.